Hello, sir. My name is Clarence B. Anticristo, and today I will be presenting an inspiring leader who has left a lasting impact on the world. His name is Lee Kuan Yew. So, he was the first Prime Minister of Singapore, or also known as the Father of Singapore. He is often credited with transforming Singapore from a poor, small island into one of the most prosperous and developed nations in the world. So, Lee Kuan Yew was born on September 16, 1923 in Singapore. He studied at Raffles Institution and later pursued a law degree at Fitzwilliam College, University of Cambridge, where he graduated with honors. Upon returning to Singapore, he worked as a lawyer before entering politics. Then, he died on March 23, 2015. (1959 to 1990), Prime Minister of Singapore. He served as Singapore's first Prime Minister for 31 years, making him one of the longest-serving leaders in the world. 1990 to 2011, Senior Minister or Minister Mentor. Even after stepping down as a Prime Minister, he continued guiding Singapore's leadership and policies. So these are the contributions and legacies. So first is transforming Singapore economy. Under his leadership, Singapore became a global financial hub with one of the highest GPD per capita in the world. So, di ba ang Singapore kay nakadato na, pero before pa na pobre jud ang Singapore, which is ubos kay sila GPT. Ang Philippines before is highest, number one in Southeast Asian. But now, sanay nang ron, which is Singapore, because of the leader Lee Kuan Yew. So, next is strict but effective governance. He emphasized discipline, meritocracy, and zero tolerance for corruption, ensuring that the government work efficiently. So, yang gikuan para ang government work efficiently. So anti-bribery, so walay mga kuan ka mga politician. So next is multi-racial harmony and social stability. So he promoted racial and religious harmony, ensuring peace among Singapore's diverse population. So since na may racist good sa Yapon, di man Yapon wala. So he decided to unity in one place. So bisag mapugsan ka, you need to move, but so magkuyog ang magsilingan ang mga different identities nila, or sa tawag nila mga multi-racial. So which is ang Indian, ang Chinese, and Malaysian, or other multiracial. So the next is Green and Clean Singapore. He introduced strict environmental laws, making Singapore one of the cleanest and greenest cities in the world. So not dili siya ingon nga cleanest and greenest cities in the world. So kani siya kay yang gikuan katong di ba mga traffic. So yang gikuan nga maglagyo mata to ang nabantayan. So siya may nagkuan na, pero ay magtuwa ng nariya pa traffic jud ang kuan ng Singapore. So the last is world-class education system. So I focus on education and innovation, making Singapore's schools some of the best globally. So in the future naman yung mga technology, which is innovation jud. I choose Lee Kuan Yew because he represents a visionary leadership, discipline, and determination. So, he had a clear vision for his country and worked relentlessly to achieve it. So, his leadership style may have been strict, but it was effective in building progressive country. So, I admire his ability to make tough decisions for long-term benefit his people. So, the other reason is because he idolized Philippines before. That's why he knows he believe what he says and what he plans. So like kanang the way nga mo plan siya or mo think nga kani mas successful pon musalig siya sa kagalingon, which is positive ba or negative. So I admire him as a leader. Thank you.